All right, welcome to the show.
Yeah, you're taller.
Here's the
You're at least 5'8".
crew for this week. We're heading to the desert. There's Lawrence and what's your name again? That guy. I'm Daddy Age, and we're packing the truck. How to fit your stuff for a desert trip in a tiny truck bed? Well, just take what you need, nothing more than that. Food and water. Alright folks, we're passing through the Sweeney Pass, aptly named. S2 north from Ocotillo towards Banner.
So why is it called Sweeney Pass?
I'm sure it was a guy whose name was Sweeney who hand carved this pass here. Great Southern Overland Stage Road of 1849.
Wow. Man. 12 years
Dead end? Oh, of course it's a dead end.
Yeah, before the Civil War.
Yeah.
Man. Oh, that's the Gold Rush, 1849.
Yeah. This has been graded, this road.
Yeah.
I hope it is not an actual dead end. Okay.
Maybe it's just because of the soft sand.
Well, I mean, technically it is a dead end, but I mean, you should be able to get to Vallecito Creek from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, except that this is the state park, so.
Oh, you can't go off-road?
Yeah, you can't go off-road.
Yeah.
Actually, you need to pay attention to the dust clouds in front, you know, for other traffic blasting through.
Right.
Okay, so there should be a foundation of a house.
Oh, this place, we went there.
You've never been here before.
Okay.
Let's park here for a little and check out that if we could find that homestead.
I'm going off-roading.
Playing ball? So, how's them Padres this year?
Looking good. I think we'll finish within 10 games of the Dodgers.
You heard it from here. We are, by Willow Creek? There's a homestead somewhere. We're checking that out.
Don't forget the ball.
There's an area here that has been fenced off before. I'm looking at the map application and it doesn't show property boundary here. It shows that this is still part of the park. So. All right, here we are in the desert. Finally. We're about to have lunch, but we found a house. This house is in an average shape. Rent maybe $1,700 a month. No utilities. Bring your own water. It's mint. What do you think, guy? Should we take it?
Sure.
Travertine. Genuine Italian. Asphalt shingle roof. There's even plumbing here. Spray paint. Maybe it was the vandals that burned that house down.
Oh, it's still fresh.
The house has been painted country yellow. Paint code 8012. There's still some left here. I can hear it. Found the toilet too.
Yeah, it doesn't look like one, but it used to be one.
Oh, it's perfect.
Hey, what are you doing there? I think there was a toilet here.
2 bathrooms. Electricity. That looks deep. No, it's not that deep. Oh. This looks good. There's a cement pipe. Wow, that's heavy looking.
What is this? Some kind of melted metal? It looks like some like
It says
melted it.
puncture seal.
There's a secret hiding place here. This is the coolest thing.
I guess it was meant for camping. Oh yeah.
This is a side step of a pickup truck.
Oh yeah.
It's like a squash.
Oh yeah. It's like a, fruit. It looks like. That looks like an egg, so put it back where it's supposed to be. Over there in the breakfast time, he ate the eggs of the babies, and he pooped there, and then we came around with this woodpecker or the bird. He dropped some of his feathers and these leaves he ate, and look all these holes. Yeah, he made holes in the trees.
Let's make lunch. Starting to smell good. Come and eat.
Okay.
No, I think this is good. Yeah.
It looks a bit too tall.
Oh yeah. I don't think it's too tall enough. Bye, bow willows. We're heading that way. And let's blast away. That was a mistake. I forgot that the grill was there. Okay, we'll edit this out. You caught it on camera? Okay, I'm not sure if that's legal to show.
Guys, we just crashed ourselves. But at least our front bumpers.
There's asphalt here.
Yeah. Water came through here because some of the plants, the small ones, died.
Yeah.
They got buried, and you can see the mud packed up against the bottoms of them. Oh, there's that.
Closed area. Yeah, closed area. That basically means no traffic, no motor vehicles, and few people seem to respect that sign. Yeah, our flag is bending a tiny bit. You might notice it on camera, I don't know, possibly. Oh, there's people I don't want to dust.
I should have blurred that out.
This is getting to be a bit dangerous because there's no visibility. But this road is very good. It's like 405. Less traffic though. The 405, San Diego Freeway. But we have a flag, people see us coming. I wonder if this flag is still there.
Still there.
If the flag is still there when we get on the S2 after twilight's last gleaming.
What kind of national anthem was that?
I think we lost all the American subscribers.
Yeah.
Oh, the sand looks a bit soft here.
American ducks.
Oh, that's a lot of dust.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so much dust on your side.
Ooh.
That's good.
I am dust, so that's okay.
Wait, what?
You are also dust.
Yeah, I was made out of dust.
Oh, water has flown here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Soft sleep. Soft.
Wow.
More sauce.
Huh?
I want more sauce so I can be dust.
I bet we lost like all of our subscribers. When this video is going to be posted up.
Closed area. I mean, they really want you to stay in the creek without a paddle. This might be a bit wet wintertime, this road.
That's hairy.
I don't think that this road has been maintained that well.
Wow.
Why aren't we bending sideways? Like that seatbelt's cashmere. Yeah, I guess.
It's like flying over ice.
Actually, I need to maintain the speed.
Yeah.
Don't
stop.
Look at all that.
There we go.
I can't see.
I should really be on four-wheel drive here, but I'm not.
Look behind it. Wipe the camera.
Saving
Oh,
it.
guys, look. That's a lot of dust. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we drove that loud.
It was a bit dusty there, maybe. You might notice that. This is not the trail for 97 Camry. This is you need something
I'm getting the sand back.
something else here. I wouldn't bring a Tesla here either.
Why does it can't?
What about, why not a Cybertruck?
Oh, I would just leave it here.
And sell it for like $2?
Okay, so we are very close to our intersection.
And we just lost 20 subscribers and we gained 50.
Oh,
We lost 5 subscribers now.
What?
I'm surprised about the flotation. You know, we didn't air down. I have probably 35 psi on my tires, and I was on rear drive, and I was just blasting through. Didn't really want to stop there to put it on four-wheel drive. But this is beginner trail rating number 10. That I think that's Vallecito. I'm pretty sure that's Vallecito. No, it's not yet. We're coming to it.
Are we going to geocache today?
There are no geocaches in the state park for some reason at all. Outside, if we have a chance, we can stop by the side of the road.
I bet there's one.
What is that? Pipe standing in the middle of the
That's a
road.
golden acorn.
Yeah, the golden acorn is a geocache.
Yeah. That's why there's so many snacks there. They have barely any.
We give them money to trade for snacks.
We gained like $20 today.
Look, here comes the car.
We did.
What's that?
Car's coming.
Cares.
That nasty Subaru. Oh, I should have cut them out here.
I did.
I did.
Close encounters of the Subaru kind. Oh man, that Subaru is gonna be in deep trouble.
Yeah.
I hope he is a good driver because, I mean, they're dragging their belly pan there. Unless they take the high road, you know, where they're not supposed to go.
That's gonna be terrible.
Good eyes. Good looking out.
This camera's. Yeah, maybe we need to.
But we're not going to do that.
We have a
balloon, Mylar balloons.
Yeah, looks like it got caught on the.
Oh, that's just nasty.
Mine are balloons. Where's the balloons? There's some. I filmed your face. Look,
Oh,
that's a trail.
what the? What is this for?
Why is it stuck?
Oh, maybe somebody leaves their equipment here.
Or a trunk. Like a Cybertruck. Or maybe the Cybertruck on motorcycle.
Maybe it was a SpaceX shuttle.
Yeah.
Or
Okay, we are very close to Vallecito Wash now. Yeah.
Oh, the flag might suffer.
Oh, mama!
Don't say
Come on,
that.
truck.
We still have the flag.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm still
our flag is still there.
That's great.
Restricted area. What? There's so many tracks there. People been driving there. I mean, that's how the trails get. Oh, this is a trail. I've driven this before.
Oh yeah, South Korea Creek.
Oh, that's last week's video.
Yeah.
South Korea Creek or North.
South Korea Creek.
Yeah, but that might be last week, but maybe not for you guys that's watching
All right,
the video.
we're coming to the intersection
Oh my gosh, we're at 10 minutes.
of Wash.
of
This is the way to Canyon without the name. That is the way to the stagecoach station, and this is to the Mud Caves.
Mud Cave's better.
Yeah. That's all for Avalanche in San Diego. See you next week.